the LG B20 user, and today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy A11 for AT&T Prepaid. So this is a budget phone, it does have pretty decent specs for what it is, a budget phone. It's available now for $99.99. It's available in black, and you have 32 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, this is a very nice phone. You do have your whole punch with my face and camera, earpiece, power, and volume case will be on the right side of the phone there. So this one's been out for a while now on the AT&T Prepaid. It's been out for a while now. So yeah, I thought I have already done a video about this one before, but I have not. So well, here it is. So that's one of the phone. That's one of the phone again. What's this? The left side of the phone. I mean the right side of the phone. You do have your power and volume keys. Back of the phone, you got your triple rear cameras. Camera first, Samsung logo, and your fingerprint sensor right there on the back. There's back of it, you got your triple lens camera, like I mentioned before. Camera first, fingerprint sensor, and your Samsung logo. You have the depth sensor, a wide angle lens, and a main camera lens. So not too bad. There's back of it again, and then there's the the left side. I don't think it has anything. It's kind of hard to tell. So yeah. Overview says the large 6.4-inch HD plus Infinity display lets you immerse yourself while viewing your favorite content. The 13, 5, and 2 megapixel triple rear cameras and the 8 megapixel front camera lets you take vibrant and server-worthy images. Also comes with a 4,000 mAh fast charging battery to help you do well throughout your day. So not bad. It has pretty good specs. Also has a 2 megapixel depth sensor and a 5 megapixel wide angle lens and a 13 megapixel main camera along with the 8 megapixel front facing camera. So not too bad. There's the phone again right there. There's the front of it, right side, back. Left side there. So yeah, features and specs. 6.4-inch HD plus Infinity display. 3 cameras, one back at 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 2 megapixels, and an 8 megapixel front facing camera. Fast octa-core processor. 4,000 mAh battery. Your dimensions on the Galaxy A11: 6.42 inches height, 3 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. The Galaxy A11 weighs 6.35 ounces. Display 6.4 inches. That's 1560 by 720 pixels. That's a 720p display. So not great, but not terrible either. I don't know what kind of display it is. It's probably a regular. It's probably is a LCD display. So yeah. Rear cameras, like I said, 13 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and a 2 megapixel camera with LED flash. Video capture 16 by 9, 30 frames of Full HD. Front facing camera 8 megapixels. Camera features panoramic, pro, wide focus, photo and video. Battery 4,000 mAh battery, 25.5 hours of talk time, 18.7 days of standby time. 57.4 hours of speaker playback and 130 hours of headset playback. So pretty nice. Fast charging, of course. Time to charge to 50% is 44 minutes. Time to charge to 100% is 130 minutes. Snapdragon 450 processor, octa-core at 1.8 GHz. So the same processor as you guys will see on the LG Stylo 4. So Pretty kind of an old processor, but it's better than nothing. 32 gigabytes of internal storage, 512 gigabytes of micro SD, 2 gigabytes of RAM, Android 10 with One UI, LTE bands. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 12, 14, 20, 29, 30, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 66. It also has a 4G HSPA plus, 3G. It's also GSM of course, obviously. Wolfram, it's a quad band, HG voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices. So that's nice. Wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card. This phone has a lot of apps on it, of course. You can expect that on this one here from AT&T, a lot of apps. So what you get from AT&T is a lot of shit. So you guys have AT&T advanced messaging. You also have AT&T messages backup and sync. AT&T real-time text, AT&T remote support, AT&T video call, AT&T Wi-Fi calling, FirstNet, AT&T visual voicemail, AT&T Call Protect, AT&T Mobile Security, AT&T Personal Cloud, AT&T Device Help, AT&T Mobile Services Prepaid, Mobile Services Manager, AT&T Set and Transfer, AT&T TV, AT&T Thanks, AT&T Protect, AT&T Secure Family. You also have HBO Max, AT&T Smart Wi-Fi. So that's a lot of apps from AT&T. The Samsung apps you guys will get calculator, calendar, camera, clock, contacts, device care, W Outmatch, Dual Messenger, Easy Mode, Email, Finder, Gallery, Messages, Phone, Settings, Samsung Galaxy Store, Internet, Samsung Health, Samsung Knox, Galaxy Wearable, Galaxy Samsung Cloud, Samsung Members, Samsung Notes, Smart Switch, Smart Things, Office, Mobile, and Global Goals. You also get Samsung Internet as well. You also get the Galaxy Store as well. So that's on there. Additional apps, just like additional apps to the phone. You guys will get Facebook, Amazon Shop, NBA, Purdue TV, Bleacher Report Live, CNN, DC Universe, Direct TV, Game of Thrones Conquest, Golf Clash, Great Big Story, MSN, Game Folder, the CW, Wrestling World, Google Drive, Google Duo, Google Search, Google Maps, Google Photos, Google Play Movies and TV, YouTube, Gmail, Google Chrome, Google Play Store. So you do get a lot of apps on this phone. You do get a couple of games, but you will probably have to install those if you guys want to play those games. My AT&T provides fast, easy account access virtually anywhere, anytime. Web browser, Samsung Internet, and Google Chrome on board. So that's nice. That both are great browsers. Your sensors are accelerometer, ambient light, fingerprint and proximity. Text messages, you can do whatever in text messages. Also has advanced messaging, also RCS, universe profile. So it has that on there. It has mobile email, music player. It's probably I don't know what the music player is. Probably Samsung Music. I don't know. External music controls, hearing aids, sustainability there, product codes and all that stuff. What comes in the box is your Samsung Galaxy A11 quick charge charging block, Type-C cable, SIM card and quick start guide there. So yeah, there you guys have it. the Samsung Galaxy A11 now here is now here at AT&T Prepaid for $99.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget phone, a backup phone, or whatever, this is a phone to take a look at. This phone does look very nice. The specs on here are pretty decent. I don't know if it will end with 11. I don't know. Maybe it will. But for $100, it's not a bad phone. It's a decent phone. For what it is, a budget smartphone, so do keep it in mind. Phone that does look very nice. It does have some pretty cool features with it, like fast charging. So they guys go. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.